Bonjour à tous and welcome to Learn French with Vincent, and this is Unité 11, leçon N, and we'll start something quite big in this video because well, I've been reading quite many things about persons who want to actually tell the students that normally many words are common in English and in French, which is it's true, but we must be really careful about that because, of course, in many situations, people will say, that the EON words that exist in English will be exactly the same in French, and it's not the case. Sorry about that. It's not the case. So I've been working quite much on this topic, and I've been coming with a list. Okay, and the list is quite big, so I thought maybe it would be interesting to try to cover them, but then in a fast way somehow. Okay, so it will be the first. Here you can see the first video covering these EON words that are the same in English and in French. Okay, and so the rule is that, of course, EON, so you will have the same words in English and in French if the word exists in French, and that's the first thing. And then remember that in some cases, so will become E in French, so we'll put the accent, and then in some cases Z, so la lettre Z will become la lettre S. Okay, all right, I didn't put the article, but then in most of the cases they are feminine. Okay, so let's start now. Abdication, ablution, abnégation, abolition, abomination, abrogation, absorption, abstention, abstraction, accélération, accentuation, acceptation, accession, acclamation, accommodation, accréditation, accumulation, accusation, acidification, acquisition, action, activation, adaptation, addiction, addition, adhésion, administration, admiration, admission, adoption, adoration, adulation, aération, affectation, affection, affiliation, affirmation, agglomération, aggravation, agression, agitation, aliénation, alimentation, allégation, allocation, allocution, allusion, alphabétisation, altération, altercation. And that's it for this first list of 50 words that are identical in English and in French. If you want more video, then the channel is here, and then like me on Facebook. I will be so happy, and then more material can be found here. Have a great day. Bye bye.